Part 12. Festivals, Friends, Family and Social English Conversation. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Isha. I'm so happy you're here again. Today, we're going to practice English for everyday social situations. We'll learn how to talk with friends, family members, neighbors, and relatives. We'll also learn English for festivals, invitations, and celebrations. These are conversations that you'll use in real life. So, relax. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence after me. And speak with confidence. Let's begin. Lesson 88, Talking with a Friend. Imagine you're meeting your friend. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm doing great. What about you? I'm fine too. It's been a long time. Yes. I missed you. How's everything going? Everything is going well. Would you like to have some coffee? Sure. Let's go. That sounds great. Thank you. Now repeat the conversation. Excellent. Lesson 89, Family Conversation. Imagine you're talking with your family. Good evening. Good evening. How's your day? It was wonderful. I learned many new things today. That's great. Did you finish your homework? Yes. I finished everything. Would you like some dinner? Yes. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Excellent. Repeat everything. Lesson 90, Festival Conversation. Imagine it's a festival. Happy Diwali. Thank you. Happy Diwali to you too. How are you celebrating today? I'm celebrating with my family. We decorated our home. We exchanged gifts. We enjoyed delicious food. That sounds wonderful. Have a fantastic celebration. Thank you. You too. Now repeat everything. Excellent. Lesson 91, Invitation Conversation. Imagine you're inviting someone. Hello. Hello. Are you free this Sunday? Yes. Why? I'm having a birthday party. I'd love to invite you. Thank you. I'd be happy to come. What time does it start? At 6 p.m. See you there. See you. Have a wonderful day. You too. Excellent. Lesson 92, Neighbor Conversation. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well. Thank you. Could you help me for a moment? Of course. What do you need? Could you please collect my parcel tomorrow? Certainly. No problem. Thank you so much. You're most welcome. Repeat again. Excellent. Lesson 93, Daily Vocabulary. Today's words. Festival. Festival. Invitation. Invitation. Celebrate. Celebrate. Neighbor. Neighbor. Relative. Relative. Gift. Gift. Party. Party. Happiness. Happiness. Repeat after me. I received an invitation. We celebrate festivals together. My neighbor's very kind. I bought a gift for my friend. Wonderful. Lesson 94, Pronunciation Practice. Repeat after me. Festival. Invitation. Celebrate. Neighbor. Relative. Happiness. Wonderful. Together. Excellent. Speak slowly. Speak confidently. Lesson 95, Listening Practice. Now just listen. Last weekend, my family celebrated a festival together. We cleaned our house, decorated the rooms, and invited our relatives. In the evening, my friends came to visit us. We exchanged gifts, enjoyed delicious food, and spent quality time together. It was one of the happiest days of the year. Now answer. Who visited the family? Their friends and relatives. What did they enjoy? They enjoyed delicious food and spent quality time together. Excellent. Lesson 96, Speaking Confidence. Repeat after me. I enjoy speaking English. I make new friends easily. I speak politely. I communicate with confidence. Every conversation improves my English. I practice every day. I believe in myself. I will become fluent. Fantastic. You're improving every single day. Congratulations. You've completed part 12 of our English speaking practice series. Thank you for staying with me until the end. Every lesson you complete makes you more confident and brings you one step closer to speaking English fluently. Remember, learning English isn't about being perfect. It's about practicing consistently. So keep listening, keep repeating, and most importantly, keep speaking. If today's lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support inspires me to create more free English lessons, real-life conversations, vocabulary practice, pronunciation exercises, listening activities, and spoken English sessions for you. In the next lesson, we'll practice English for weather, holidays, weekend plans, hobbies, and daily lifestyle conversations. Thank you so much for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking English every single day. I'm Isha. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.